guys, today we're gonna be cooking in the microwave. Yeah, this video is gonna be called "Boil for about a minute in the microwave." Now, first you gotta open it up normally.
We got some very good ingredients. This is a delicacy in Sweden. I don't know. And we're gonna be boiling for about a minute in the microwave.
You need the bowl.
No, we're cutting it first. And it's not working so well.
You should get this stuff all in the bowl. Get it all in the bowl.
No, we don't need, we're not cutting all of it up. No, you don't.
All of it's gonna get cut up.
Alright, so we have to separate this. Hear me out here. You're probably wondering, what the frick is wrong with these people? This part is going to stay out of the microwave, and we're going to be dipping their brothers in their dead...
Brothers.
Yeah, exactly.
First, we need to, like, chop this up.
We need to... No, that's not the cooking massage way. That's not the cooking massage way. That's not the way of the cooking. Alright. I'll show you how to cook.
This guy's like the new Gordon Ramsay here.
Gotta cook this properly. Alright, so that's good. We got this ready. We got a concept. And once we put it in the microwave, I'm gonna explain.
Put it in for about like
a minute in the microwave.
No. Not that'll be actually though. Put it in for about like as much as it says right there.
Like this?
Put the lid on.
It's a plastic lid.
Put it on.
Okay.
Now.
So, in the meantime, we're going to be explaining to you what we're going to be doing today on Cooking with Slash. So, now that we've wasted these ingredients, we're going to...
It's already ready. Oh my god, I want to see this, even though it was only in for 10 seconds. Nothing happened. We're putting it in for another 15 seconds.
Put it in for 30.
20.
So trust me.
25.
I'm the chef.
25. This is really not a good idea.
This is gonna end well. Alright, so meanwhile over here, we're gonna be cooking.
Freaking microwaving chocolate. That's so loud.
Trust me, that's not the sound of this cutting. That's the sound of me getting whipped by my mom. Alright.
I want to see this now. Come on.
Yes.
Wait, let's feel this. Nothing.
Hello.
So we're gonna put these back in the microwave and for a minute. I just knocked everything down. Great.
Alright, so we're gonna show you the second one.
No,
I'm not being funny. You should boil some eggs.
No, don't.
It'll be excellent. I can see. What
So that like only got your eye. I was like, actually looked really funny and creepy and unpleasant, probably.
What else do you want to do? Maybe we should.
No. All we do is Hershey's.
I don't think this is a good idea. I think we should stop.
Yeah.
Stop. It's time to stop.
Oh my god, let's see this.
They're beginning to sweat.
Okay, just put them in for the rest of the time.
Trust me on this, Dale.
Stupid.
Your mom.
What about my mom?
She's a nice lady.
Cool.
Alright, so stop it.
Stop it.
So now you're probably wondering, what else could you do? Well, let me show you.
You gotta make more loud noises with cutting up the chocolate. It's ready!
I'm scared.
It's probably not gonna be any different.
Trust me. I have a plan.
Oh my god.
Let's start.
There we go. I mean, not all of them, but...
No, it's fine. This is what we needed.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Get some milk.
Milk?
Trust me, get some milk.
Well, you got it.
I'm Chef.
Chef Boyar-Slash here.
This is better than Chef Gordon Ramsay and
Jordan Ramsay.
And Alright, put some milk in.
Chef
Put some milk. Put the milk in.
See this?
Alright, so we got some milk action going on. Just to pour some in. Alright, that's good. That's good. So now we're gonna mix it up until it absorbs it. I'm a chef, so I need to put too much milk in.
I need to get a spoon as well.
Here's the time where we try out our ridiculous invention. Alright, so this is like cereal, but it's not. I'm going first.
Oh my god. Is it good or is it bad? I actually went out here because our kitchen is being used. That's when my hour is actually mine. Yeah.
I mean, Molly's making some Boyardee pasta.
Yeah.
Alright, you can sit there.
I need to try some of this.
It's actually really good.
Some of this cookies and cream milk Hershey Fortnite.
Delicious. I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's good. Okay, I need to try some of this. You hold the camera. Towards me. Okay. Damn.
Oh my gosh.
I need to try this. Oh my god.
I'm not a complete failure. One problem though. I'm not hungry.
Oh my god, that was so close.
Alright, so
I actually need some more of that. Jeez,
which one did you have?
You mean
Which spoon is yours?
this one?
Okay, good.
I think.
I think. Swap extent.
Really isn't that bad. This is actually really good. Well, that's it for this episode of Cooking with Slash. You concluded.
Alright, so boil for about a minute in the microwave. Chop it up. What you want is some of it to be more mushy than the other ones, so that way
Conclude the video.
you can have some crunchy parts. I'm telling them the recipe. Then, if you live life on the spicy side, you can throw in some paprika. Might make it taste better. Get away, you fly. I know you want some.
Alright, goodbye, guys.